and another day, another setup. So I'm here for a 1-year-old birthday setup, but we're having it at the rooftop, and it's one of a kind. I've never done this one before. I like moms that are unconventional. It's a duck team birthday. Yeah, so I like moms that are very unconventional. I can't even lie. All the things that we are recreating here today, mom did not want party pack. She wanted like teddy bears, dogs, different things. And at the station, I will put adopt me. So kids will come and adopt any teddy bear that they like. I love unconventional moms. I love moms that, want me to think outside the box. So if you're bringing your events to me, don't just show me one video. Bring something that is really going to tax my brain and I will be listening. But yeah, we are setting up right now. I should be able to show you guys the outcome after we are done. But let me show you guys what's happening here.
Three, two, one, go.
The next day.
Crazy. It's in my head. If I did more now, there's guys, we are done for today. Hello from the other side. We are done. What's this master class? We are done and we are back to the island. Boomsy sports lovers.
Mommy,
Boomsy sports lovers. Come on, go with your top. Sorry. Boomsy sports lovers and my army. Hey, your girl has been so busy in a good way. Did I come and gist you how my mail was? That no. What they call it? Like I was not really seeing so much jobs like that and all. You guys, I have been booked and busy. I feel like my life has been so busy that I have not even come to speak to you guys for such a long time. I did market vlogs I cannot edit. My hands have been so choked. Literally, I'm having events weekends to weekends, and I'm so grateful. See, when I tell you that life is time and season, it is really time and season, because this is rainy season, and you guys, God has just been faithful. And I'm thankful for it. I cannot even lie. I'm really thankful for it. I feel like I've been so busy that I have not even entered into the kitchen to cook anything. Literally. Wait now, mostly see you people. Mostly see you people in every... You guys, it's like I'm sharing this channel with my children because I don't understand why they are literally trying to join this place. I put my camera to show their face like, see me oh. Kaima, stop it. See me oh. Guys, I've been so busy. Mommy, so busy. My life has kind, so everybody keep short. Guys, so my event for over the weekend, which is Braden's first birthday, was an impromptu one. Client's mom reached out to me in like 2 days. We came up with that event. Like, I was not seeing my front, I was not feeling my back. I was already even editing market vlogs I was going to post before I had received the message and everything that I need to go. In fact, I was on 3rd Mainland Bridge, yes, coming back from my class before the client called me and then told me, please check your WhatsApp. So and so person told me to reach out to you, that you're really good with kiddies birthdays, blah 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 blah. That was how I said, back to back we started planning everything, because she wanted me to plan the full event and also decorate as well. I had to enter into different places. My husband went to different stores because of the concept and the idea she had shared with me. She didn't even have any time to say, let us sit down together, I pin you down. let's discuss all these ideas you're bombarding to me. How are we going to make it work? How are we going to make it work? How are we going to make it work? That's so I entered. I started buying things. I bought baskets. Let me show you. I bought new baskets because of we're trying to do duck in farms, duck in swine. It was a duck thing, what they call it, but like I showed you guys, duck in swans. I entered, you know, it was 2-in-1 decoration. I decorated the hall. See this. I decorated the hall for, like, you know, mommy and me to be like a picnic party, pajamas party, but we decorated it in like picnic style, where, you know, she could come with her friends, sit down, you know, just enjoy, while the nannies and the kids will be by the rooftop for the birthday. Gosh, like I was literally like a marathon. On Saturday my husband drove me everywhere and I was just at the back. In fact, not at the back, I was just in the front, just I was talking to my printer, I was talking to everybody at the same time. I was trying to get everything done. This is literally like I had to bring my creativity game on. And one thing, you know, I'm also trying to do is that I want to outdo my previous events. Like I want to outdo my previous event. I'm sure you guys saw, you know, what I came up with, you know, in the first clip of this vlog. But for every event that I get now, I want to outdo the previous one. Yes, so I tried as much as possible. You guys go to my Instagram. By the time I'm going to be posting this video, the professional video is going to be up, right? Thankful for my team that is always active to put my videos together. So by the time the video is up, you know, the professional videos will already be on my page, KK Event and Deco. So check your girl out, support me, root for me. You guys, we are moving into luxury decor only. Clients that will not stress us, not that ogbongidi that came to me just that time in May and just, you know, use me, use my head, use my information, use everything. Now I went to go and use my photographer, my everybody. Literally, my children are playing hide and seek on that. They're like, I don't even they're hiding. They're always going to come and look for them. If you're hiding, am I supposed to see you? If you're hiding, am I supposed to see you people? Yes. See. But anyways, guys, let me get into the kitchen. I have a lot of things to cook for my babies. I've missed them so much. Today I said I'm literally not going anywhere. I work from home today. I've missed my children. I spent time today cleaning their ears, cleaning their navel, just looking. I've not had time to look at these babies, you know, these gifts that God gave me. Literally, when you call me KK in class, they call me KK. You call me KK, you're literally calling me Kaito and Kaima, you know. You're literally calling me Kaito and Kaima. So I've not had time to look at them. Today I looked at them. I've been with them, you know. I've been with them. So yeah, you guys, let's get into the kitchen. I'll see you guys as this book progresses. They're behind me. You guys, see, literally everything I was supposed to cook, they had done it. They kept it inside the freezer. The okra I bought in the market, the meat, everything was ready. Literally, the isam, it was like cook, but no time to sit at a place and just do it. This one is ready. Ooh. Made the fried rice.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, what's up? You guys, my husband had to tell me, see baby, go and make your hair. Go and do your nails. Go and make your hair, go and do your nails. You know, I know that, you know, you want to upgrade luxury, everything. Your decoration these days have taken another turn. But you too, we that are seeing you in the house, we have to see luxury as well. You guys, today I was not doing anything, right? I wasn't going to class. you know, I had less of work, and I just said, you know what, today I wasn't doing much actually, so I just said, you know what, let me just head straight to the salon. I went to get my hair done, I went to get my nails done. It's raining, let me show you guys. It's raining heavily. It's raining heavily, and I'm stuck a bit in traffic. It's raining heavily, but I wanted us to chit-chat a bit before, you know, I end this vlog. You guys, it has been a journey for me. This has been the busiest I have been in the past weeks, like since the beginning of this year. I have been super busy. I journey all the way down to Ebeda for my classes. You know, I still have a couple of so many other things, even my YouTube as well. I even realized that in my market vlog, I had done the editing and everything for my market vlog, and I realized that I did not even turn on ads in my video. I'm like, what? What? How did I get so busy that I forgot to, after I finished editing and uploading, I forgot to turn on ads? You know, for my fellow YouTubers that are watching me, you know that hey, if your ads are not turned on, you literally will not even make money off the video. I'm like, not my market vlog, not my market vlog that people view a lot. But you know, that brings me to just say that when you see me reaping the fruits of my inside this rain, I'm traveling to go and upgrade myself. I'm literally jumping bike, like entering public transport and everything. This is the foundation of my greatness. This is the, you know, this is, I'm laying it brick by brick. So when you eventually see me, you know, in the years to come attaining some level of success, you will come back to my YouTube channel and say, ah, this girl, she worked hard for it. Yeah, this just brings me to also say, like, you know, don't also say, oh, because Bumsy is doing decoration, you know, Bumsy is doing balloon, let me just okay just venture into decoration. And no, please set your heart. If it's something that you really want to do, or if you have passion for another thing, because in this event industry, yeah, it is broad. There's so many things that you can do, so many things, not just decoration. There's so many other things that you can do. But I'll also leave you by encouraging you that, you know, if you also want to start something and you've been having cold feet, you're dragging your feet, you know, you don't know where to start from, you know, the process looks very overwhelming for you, just start. Yes, just start. Yes, just start. And before you start anything, please go and start from the basics, because what I'm doing now is master class. You know, I'm not doing beginners class, because I've done beginners class. I have started from the foundation of it. You know, I've started from the beginning part of it, which is balloons and all. You guys, we got featured in Bella Naija. In fact, that's another vlog I'm about to start for you guys. Very exciting. This is my first ever feature on Bella Naija weddings, and I could not be happier. But I was saying to you guys that you want to start something. You see me going to a masterclass today, you know, trying to do upgrade, you know, into luxury decoration and all of that. There was a beginner's part where it was balloons. I went to go and learn. There was a beginner's part where it was balloons. Yes, it was how to get your hand, you know, how to, you know, start in the mud first. Start in the mud, grow the business. Don't just jump the process. You know, there's beauty in process. If I look back on how I started the whole journey into this decoration thing, I'm sure you guys watched it. If I look back on how, in fact, it was my 30th birthday, my husband said, well, what do you want? What do you? I said, please, I want to do something. Yeah, that's the birthday gift I want. I don't think I want. I've celebrated enough. Let me go and learn a skill. Let me go and do so. Let me go and learn a skill. If COVID did not teach you anything, COVID should have taught you that you need a skill. You cannot also rely on one source of income. But yeah, this is just me just saying that, you know, you have that thing you've been thinking you want to start. Don't jump the process. Don't think big. Don't jump the process. Think big, but start from the foundation. Walk yourself through the process. You will appreciate your growth. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Bumsy Sports. Like, share, comment, and bye.